for the ground. I'm a 2020, whoa. Woke up to deposits and it's only 8 a.m. Do it for the fam, I don't do it for the gram. Do it for my daughters, do it for my little man. That's my 2020, reason why I win. Lot of missed calls, looking bloody in my call log. I bet to myself, I'm not sorry that I logged, dog. Check my mental health, I was feeling like a lost dog. Bounce back and wipe my paws off. Get it off the humble and I stick to what I know. Nights on top of nights, long nights took a toll. Took some steps back, but I still get up and I go. And now you know, I'ma make some and I'ma spend it, yeah. New Jeep, no doors with it, no. I won't stop now, who you kidding? Every day I wake up, I'ma send it, I'ma send it, I'ma send it. Every day I wake up, I'ma send it, I'ma make some and I'ma spend it. Every day I wake up, I'ma send it. Pressure on me daily, got the family on my back. Dreams are getting bigger, put the city on my map. Wrote inside my palm, but I'll try not to get attached. Moment that is here could be over just like that. Fast car, no NASCAR. I was never working hard, I guess I'm mad smart. Top speed like a rocket, it was blast off. 6 figures from my couch without a mask on. Waited for my cycle like a laundromat. Going to the moon, it's on top and that. 2 straight years of dropping back to back. Epidemic jumping like an acrobat. I'ma make some and I'ma spend it, yeah. New Jeep, no doors with it, no. I won't stop now, who you kidding? Every day I wake up, I'ma send it, I'ma send it, I'ma send it. Every day I wake up, I'ma send it, I'ma make some and I'ma spend it. Every day I wake up, I'ma send it. Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop, no. I won't stop,
Good morning all. Yes sir. How are we doing? Zoom guys? How are we doing YouTube chat? Let me see, I'm all systems go. And yes, welcome all the new people to Zoom. You guys don't have delay now. It's one-on-one. What I'm saying now is what you're hearing. All right, we look good. We look like we're all systems go. Sweet. Yeah, let's get with it. There are a few more people come in and then you know the drill. We'll do the analysis here. Let's check news in the meantime. Don't believe there's any news. Today's Friday, you know, Chinese bank holiday, so that's fine. GDP later on, price index, yeah, all fine stuff. So yeah, looks good for news. End of quarter, guys. End of quarter. We're going into a new quarter, so don't blow your profits. End of quarter, last day of the quarter. Options will take them, and yeah, I mean we treat it like a normal day, but of course we take solid options only, and make sure that we're not going to blow any profits before the new quarter. So let's go ahead and do the analysis here. And start off on the daily time frame as always. So daily, previous daily, obviously closing bullish here, which is nice to see. We're dipping up into this rejection zone, which kind of has to make its decision. We could easily push through and find ourselves making our way up to 183, 260, or we can start rejecting here and continue back down. It kind of has to make its mind up. So being at this rejection zone doesn't really help us to get, because we want to target this, but there's no reason why we can't push through it if volume wants to come in, right? And this is the big issue people will do, is that they'll try to short this too early. And now I do understand if resistance is created from here, shorts do make sense, but don't be too early to short this. because, you know, looking at all time frames are pointing bullish, 4 hours bullish. Until this 4-hour candle closes bearish, only then you can look for shorts. Otherwise, this will create support and can easily push through this zone here. So we'll bring back drawings here on the 4-hour, and we can see what we have here is a 4-hour resistance somewhere around here. I could even mark it somewhere around 182.740, but 780 is the strongest one. You know, we'll see what we have on the lower time frames. This current 4-hour support is no longer relevant because we have closed back above it. Let's just go see lower time frames if it's relevant or not. Yeah, it's 1 hour still respecting it, so we can leave it on the chart since the 1 hour. I prefer to take this one here at the top of the range. Yeah, it's still respecting it in terms of a 15-minute here, so we can leave it on the chart for our 15-minute support, because anything closing back inside here, what type of range are we working with? 7 pips, yeah, not the best. The thing with breaking the highs is we have room to get here. We have around 12 pip range, and then we can make a decision. So the point is that we can anticipate price to break through this zone. So even though, yes, we don't have the best range, you know, 10 pips, right? What we can do is we can expect price to break through this zone and get our continuation if we're looking for buys here. Now, anyone trying to sell here, not a good idea. And the reason this is not a good idea is that's a very big difference between the 15 and the 30 here. So I'm gonna move it up to 15. Reason why it's not a good idea to sell here is because you know, you could sell counter trend, but in my opinion this can create support anywhere in here, and we can find ourselves towards the upside here. We can find ourselves trading towards the upside if any support is created. So this pullback pre-London is quite nice because it kind of gives us an option for buys to play out, and we can take buys back up towards the upside while everyone's trying to take sells up in this zone. Especially closing back in this range, selling is dangerous. I mean, minimum you want to start selling. I mean, if you're going to sell today, it's probably anywhere below here, to be honest, back inside our range, if anything, you know, because this can create support anywhere and continue price bullish, right? So you see GDP news in 20 minutes. Let me have a look. What calendar is that? We'll check financial juice here, and I can see. Today is September 29. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, we do have some GDP year on year. That's interesting. I don't know why that didn't update on Forex Factory. That's today. Yeah, I see it. Interesting, right? Doesn't show. I mean, yeah, it shows here, but it shows as a yellow folder. So we'll see at 10 a.m. what ends up happening. You know, GDP is important news quarter on quarter. So I don't see. Yeah, so let's wait. Yeah, GDP news is gonna be important here to see if. I think it's already priced in most likely, so I don't think we'll see too much of a big movement. But we should just keep it at the back of our mind, and we'll see. Yeah, if GDP is going up or going down. Would be interesting to see, but yeah, it's probably already priced in for sure, right? For gold is pushed down nicely, man. Gold pushed down nicely and doing the same crap that it did yesterday, right? So this watch zone is no longer relevant here, and it's doing the same thing as yesterday. We broke out very, very late. I did have an alert here. Broke out late. There was a lot of news, so this broke with news basically. Ranging now, and we could see a break. So it's kind of doing that same thing, right? Range break, but the target is still that daily support. Analysis still stays in check here, and we could find ourselves this thing. If this thing can pull up in the beginning of the month and then find resistance, oh man, next month October can be really good for gold to just get some nice heavy downside pushes here. Because if we can pull up, create resistance, and then start continuing pulling back here, man, you can find ourselves all the way down to 1811 here, 1844 first. You know, all of these levels down here can be tapped. So especially if we pull back first, which would be amazing. So 4 hours consolidating, same as yesterday. Analysis is the same as yesterday. Nothing changes here. Sells below the bottom of the range makes sense to get down to the 4 hour support here, and the same type of thing. This is where everyone gets faked out on these type of moves here, so be careful. If you're gonna take counter trend buys, it's probably gonna move this here like this now. Counter trend buys, you probably need to see support above, and it's only gonna take you to here. So exact same analysis, as yesterday basically. But your guys' focus today is not to give back profits at the end of the month. I can't tell you how many people do give back profits at the end of the month. It is super common, so please do not do this. I know people personally who have done it already, even though they've been notified not to do it, right? And it's very common, and that's exactly where you're gonna lose, right? That's where you're gonna lose, trying to think you're trying to make back all your money for this month, or you're gonna say, oh, this month is going okay, let me try make more. Greed is a big factor in these markets, and it's gonna mess you up long-term. Greed, right? So please don't have greed in the markets today, and keep it clean, man. Keep it clean. I see 1730, man. We have a lot of levels before 1730. Focus on the next level. That's pretty much that's a big target, man. The gold dump during New York was spicy. Huge stop loss. Yeah, it had news as well. Hey Harry, how are you doing today? Oh, good, man. How are you, Nick? Can the wick count as support there? 15 minutes, you're saying? This one right here? Yeah, you need to get below. The wick is not support. That would be a target, right? But yeah, same as yesterday. I expected to range during London. I think focus should be on GJ, because GJ, we finally have a breakout. Remember, guys, all week we've been in this range. We finally have a breakout. GDP news could give us a quick move, and then we can be in for some action. So I want to see what ends up happening with this. So we'll just put here GDP news. Quarter on quarter though, not year on year GDP. So quarter on quarter GDP news 10 a.m. So yeah, there will be both as well, but you know, it's measured quarter on quarter relative to year on year, so it's not the end of year one, if that makes sense. It's measured, yeah, it's measured quarter on quarter. So this is the quarterly, so we're focusing mainly on quarter. How has it changed from last quarter to this quarter? That's the main focus. But I think it's already priced in, this quarter on quarter. This move you saw overnight is already priced in. Hi, I tried to purchase exclusive group, but the bank keeps declining. Gonna have to call them in the morning to put you on the whitelist. Yeah, that probably happens if you're someone from abroad. Banks sometimes, they just, in case of when they see a company that is outside of the country, you just have to give them a ring, and they'll sort that out. But yeah, no worries, man. You're welcome to join when you want to join. It is open now. So yeah. Finally finished painting barcodes? Yeah, it has, which is good. Welcome, Jaden, brother. So guys, what do you think I'm gonna ask next? So, now that the analysis is done, if you've enjoyed the analysis, can you please do the YouTube business? And Zoom business, yeah, Zoom business, just sit back and enjoy the show. But if you guys are on YouTube, we have 400 of us in here. Appreciate everyone showing end of month, end of quarter. And if we can get the likes up to at least 200, I really would appreciate that, guys. And show support to the stream. Brandon is here, asking me for Nasdaq since it's the end of the month. Let's do Nasdaq for him, man. Let's make him happy today. And let's leave a like on the stream, get it up to 200. So we go to Stonks here, have a look at Nas, end of month, how are we looking? So weekly, still rejecting. So weekly made a deep bottom wick, rejecting this area. Daily's closing back. Yeah, it's in a range. Pretty standard ranging. You know, ranging basically for the end of the quarter here. So I would say, you know, just you have to play the range. I wouldn't really trade this end of quarter, to be honest. I think sells could make sense with resistance below this kind of support here. Buys, I would not buy into these highs. Very risky to buy into these highs. I think the best thing is either looking for sells back down into these zones, and if it gets to these zones without an entry for sells, you can actually look for buys back up. You're just playing the range. End of quarter, it's pretty much the same. And that's how it is. For exclusive, can I do crypto payment? There is no direct crypto payment. That is set up in another way. So check with Launch. If LaunchPass is rejecting your card, it's probably your bank, not LaunchPass. If that doesn't work once you contact your bank, then you can contact me directly and I can try help you get set up. But priority will be to people who are joining the normal way. I always do the like screen when I start the stream. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. Yeah, we have 140 likes. Not bad. Not also good, but you know. Hey, Fanon, brother. Potential setup 2 forming for buys. Or 4. Yeah, potentially, but we'll have to see. We'll have to see. I don't think it's enough range to buy inside here. It's only 7-8 pips. I'd rather just end up buying above the highs because then it goes towards the upside. You have your code? Yeah, Ghost. So go to the email and click the link, the invite to the group link, right? So when you click the invite to the group link, that's what will trigger the bot to send you a DM. The bot won't send you a DM unless you click the invite link. So you have to click the invite link and then it will send you the DM. Does that make sense? Oh, you're in now? Cool. There you go. So now if you're in the Discord, you can go to the live room. The live room has the link to the Zoom. You can join the Zoom. Finally in the Discord exclusive group, but my Discord disabled for some reason. You have to check with Discord. But it doesn't affect your membership. Don't worry about that. Even if you need to change your Discord account, it can all be done through LaunchPass bot. So very easy. So you don't have to worry. Likes for 300 end of month. Yeah, people are chilling end of month. You can see not many people showing up, which is nice to see. So that group of people who are just taking a chill end of the month, shout out to them because they are taking it responsibly. You know, this is not a day we want to lose and give back profits. You know, it's like if there's a really juicy setup, then yeah, we can take it. But we're not trying to do any magic stuff here today. You know, try anything complicated. Do you go live in the Discord for NY? I live stream every single Wednesday on the Discord, and then I'm active in the live chat every single day for New York. Now, I don't want to live stream so people are being spoon-fed every single time. I want people to guide the session and I supervise to make sure that they're applying the skill. So we do have this voice chat here that becomes active by, you'll see it here, this trading voice chat here. This becomes active when New York session goes on and members share the screen, and then we have our New York session chat where we discuss, as you can see, right? So that's how it works. Yeah, here, like we took a trade yesterday. I closed break even before news, and that was that, you know. Sent you a DM Discord about the group. No worries. We'll check all after stream. Bring out the lobster gang. Always supports. Yes, sir. How can you join the group? Guys, all group questions. Sorry, I've been in, but been at the welcome message only. Yeah, because now you need to send the bot your message, man. You need to send the bot your message in your DMs. Check your DMs. I joined the exclusive group. My request hasn't been approved yet. It has, but you have to, again, you have to click the link to the Discord. If you don't click the link to the Discord, you won't be sent a DM. That's how it is. If you guys, any issues you guys have, we will sort it after stream. Don't worry at all. Very simple. Very, very simple. And any questions here, you guys can go, if you guys want to know, you guys can see this. This is anyone asking, can you have information about the group? It's here. I want to join the group, but it's starting to get too saturated. You're not even in the group. How is it saturated? How is it saturated if you're not even in it? Man, people have groups with 1,000 people in it. It's so... Look, people just joined now. I mean, the chats, I don't even need to answer that question, to be honest. So, if I wanted it saturated, then I would just say, all right, 100 spots open. The whole reason I keep spots closed is to know everyone who joined. Keep a track of everyone who joined. Alright, Ghost, then message support at launchpass.com. Right? They will get you that sorted, man. Support at launchpass.com. If that doesn't work, then you can message our support email. Or you just DM me, man, and I'll sort you out, man. This is not some BS. I'll sort you out. Don't worry about it. People already asking for discounts. Listen, one thing I'll tell you about any service or any business you guys have, listen to this. This is super important. No matter what business you guys do, no one will be satisfied at a price. No matter what price you put, no one will be satisfied. Even if you charge cheap, $10, someone will still complain saying it's too expensive. If you charge $100, there'll always be someone who's saying it's too expensive and someone says who's worth it. So it doesn't matter what price you put out, just make sure that you're not scamming people, right? Think about a price that allows to have value, you know? But at the end of the day, this is exactly the thing, man, you know? Harry, be a trader, daytime, nighttime comedian, just reading YouTube comments? Yeah, exactly. Oh, I'm not giving a penny off. If anything, I'll increase it so less people join, and then it'll be, you know, we keep it nice and tight. If you know what I'm saying. I'm looking to get some lobster on here. Let's see, man. It's pulling back now. Having seen other offers out there, you won't find better value than this? Yeah, man. That's my goal, man. That's my goal, you know? Hungry for lobster? Do you give free signals? Take it as you will, man. Everyone wants lobster. Can you stream New York session? I do in the group, but at the end of the day, guys, the whole reason I started to trade is to have more time. I don't want to be sitting at the charts 8 hours a day. We stream 2.5 hours in the morning. I would have to stream another 3 hours during New York. It's not really why I started trading. I don't want to be at the charts 6 hours. You know, I want to allow myself time to do other things, and that's exactly why we all start trading. You know, that's the beauty of trading, is to have that flexibility. So I don't want to stream 2 sessions. If I stream 2 sessions, it seems like you're doing it for more marketing reasons than actually being a trader. You want to play CS2? Nah, man, I don't play any games. No time for that. No time for that. Will you be offering an online backtesting software like FX Replay? Keep in touch, man. Keep updated. Make sure you're following my Instagram. There's something coming soon, hopefully. Something coming soon. Something coming soon, hopefully. So yes, possibly. My boyfriend trades live with you every day, but for some reason he's not logged to his YouTube account. So I come to like the video for him. We are watching you from New York. Shout out to you guys. Appreciate you guys. Shout out to that. That's effort. Zulu is ranging. Yeah, Zulu pulled back, huh? I will be announcing his only pips soon, guys. Relax. The name has pips in it. The name has pips in it. I'll tell you that much. Anything this stream has taught me is not to take too many trades and be patient. Very valuable lesson. It's nice to see you're not addicted to the charts. Yeah, 100%, 100%. That's a huge thing. And the fact is that people think more trades, like they see traders taking more trades and they think it's actually good. Here we have news, guys. Let's see if that impacts the market here. I don't really expect too much. Yeah, not much. Pretty chill. Let's just see what figures came out. Came out as expected. Pending, pending, pending. Should come back up the same. Let's see. What do you do for fun on the weekends besides eating lobster loves from South Africa? For fun, man, you know, depends if something pops up, but I don't plan anything. A lot of the time on the weekend, I catch up with a lot of work, actually. That's mainly what I'm doing on the weekend, working on new projects, catching up with things I was busy to do during the week. And that's really how it is. You know, I guess my type of fun is self-progression. So that's what I spend my time doing, to be honest. So no direct fun things, but I allow myself every single day to go to the gym, and that's exactly why. But if there's something that pops up I want to do, I go do it, you know? I don't hold myself. You can allow yourself to do that. Yeah, I used to overtrade, learned my lesson that, yeah, many people think more trades is better. I'm telling you. There's a prime example yesterday. I've had someone who, at the end of the month, didn't listen to that and, you know, ended up their month with, you know, more losses than they should have had because they took more trades. How's my month been? Around 12% this month, actually. 12%, which is not bad regarding the amount of trades I took. I think only around, you know, 6-7 trades. So that's my point, right? You can build 12-15%. I'll have to double check exactly. I don't really concentrate on balance. I just concentrate on trade. So I'll have to calculate. But that's what I might take a withdrawal this month. We'll see. Or maybe beginning of next. I'll see. I'll make a decision. Do you do a push-pull leg split? Something similar. I do like a upper lower and then push-pull legs type of thing. Do you find setup 2 to be a bit lower probability? If done wrong, yes. Because many people take setup number 2 when it's already reached the highs and your target. Setup number 2 is not something that you try to jump in when price has already reached a target. Right? 12% risking 2 to 3% a trade, yes. Fake out or fat ass top wick? Yeah, one or the other, but fake out would be interesting for buys in my opinion. Good morning, just tuned in and recap will be possible. We're bullish, looking for nice Henry, welcome, welcome, looking for buys. If close above 400? Yeah, 400 would make sense, exactly, yes. Do you analyze Tradingview, execute an MT5, and why not on Tradingview? Because Tradingview is a second chart, MT5 is a tick chart, and my broker works on MT5. Yeah, we looked at gold. Gold is now trying to break up out of the range. As I said, you need support above. This is where everyone gets caught out in a fake out. Support above, no support, no trade. Right? Simple. Support or, yeah, nice 30. Now, if you can create support above, like this 15 close bearish and the next one break the high, that's fine. Something like that. Or if you start breaking above these highs here. That could be options for counter trend buys here. But counter trend, I'll probably start trading gold next month. Probably leave today. You use fixed lot size? Basically yes, it is fixed lots. I range between a couple of lots depending on what I'm looking to trade. I'm up 10% from 500 to 550. Trader, that's amazing, man. Well, good risk management, making sure not to risk too much, and growing your account slowly. That's really good. Is there a way to connect MT5 to Tradingview? Probably. Well, the only issue I see is that MT5 is a tick and Tradingview is a second chart. So I don't know how that will work. This thing is just retracing now. If it closes too deep, then it's hard for us to take buys because there's not enough range we have. There's no bottom wick on the hour and 15 make GJ hard to buy. There is a bottom wick. That's a bottom wick. It's enough. I probably expect it to reject here, actually. I wouldn't be surprised to see it reject somewhere around here. Let's see. Nipple wick? Yeah, exactly. Did gold close above the range? Yes, it did. If you guys enjoying the stream, be sure to leave a like. We can get the likes up to 300, 600 of us in here. End of quarter, end of month. Please, guys, today, please do not give your profits back to the market. Please don't do this, right? It is super important. It's super important not to do that. You wanna end without doing anything stupid. There's no need to do it. Would the 1 hour and 5 minute structure be valid? As per, yes, exactly. That would be an option for sure. You know, but remember, it is sort of counter trend here. But yes, you do have that 1 hour close, and now we're working on that 5 minute structure, man. So it's exactly that same setup. So you would take that, but the only difference is remember, this is a counter trend trade, so probability is slightly less. But yes, that is your option, Matthew. Well noted, man. I like it. I like it. That's the exact setup. So you could try it if you want to. Depends how your month's going. If you have little profits to give a shot, no reason why not, right? You know, once this 5 minute close bullish, next one breaking the high maybe, or if this closed above, breaking that high to continue. Stop loss below the lows. It's pretty tempting for me even. I think GJ gonna take out the Asian low. Nah, you can't think like that. You can't think like that. You know, you have to focus on trading what's in front of you. It could take out the Asian low, but that can happen in 5 hours, and then you miss all the trades because you were waiting for that. It's a bad mindset. You want to focus on just trading what's in front of you now, and you can take your trade, and by the time something else happens, you've already done. No trades today here for the end of the month. Yeah, that's a good idea. I will take something if I see a clean setup, no problem at all. You know, but for me, you know, I'm not going to force buying this FOMOing into like a 5-minute candle here. You know, forming into such a big candle here, no way. But the only one thing that it is quite tempting is this gold, actually. Pretty tempting. But I don't trade gold end of the month. But yeah, it is a valid setup, that. Yeah, so that's pretty nice. Probably want to take it at break the high. Counter trend, yeah, it looks good. It looks good. It definitely is a setup. Can gold be a buyer long term? I won't try buy gold long term, no. But you'd probably safer want to go at the break of the high here, just in case this rejects before. Stop, you would want to run a little bit wider just to be safe, maybe 26 pips, but realistically you're holding it below this structure here. But just in case it wants to wick down and retest this structure, then you want to be safe. Just in case it breaks the high, comes back down, retest the structure and goes. So if you just hover your stuff somewhere here to allow space for that. Did I make it in? Can someone already in the exclusive confirm my message in London session? No, that's not a pest, man. Let's have a look. There he is, man. Yes, sir. Make sure to go to the live room, and when you go to the live room, you can go and join the Zoom, man. Is there any video that explains your setups? There actually is, man. There actually is. If you go to my YouTube channel and you visit this video right here, the top 3 price action entries explain my setups with a free PDF, all for free, guys. There's also a full free course. If you're a beginner here, you can go through that free course. Plenty of value on the channel. Definitely should watch these videos on the channel, and make sure that you are subscribed so that you can see future videos. Super important, super important. Gold needs to break 1970, 1972 supply area. Then it will probably retest 1900. And if rejected, next stop 1958. Yeah, you need to work level by level. The first level you have to get back above is 1872. Been trading for a total of 7 years. 4 years of failing. Wow, I want to tell you how much I appreciate the advice you give newer traders. Thanks for setting a great example for them. Amazing, man. That's really nice to hear. Appreciate you showing up to the stream and yeah, being part of the YouTube fam. I only have access to YouTube University, and a huge thanks to you for providing the free educational videos. But as I go along, the false breakout been bothering me. Well, yeah, make sure to watch this video, breakout strategy. This will avoid you having the false breakouts, right? Study this video. This will avoid you to have those false breakouts. Look at gold is tempting, hey guys. Come on now. You're waiting for the setup? Yeah, if you're happy to take it end of month, break of the high makes sense. Wonder if I should just take it half risk, just for fun. We'll see. But the only problem is it kind of closes in 1 minute, but yeah. Yeah, half risk, you know, you could take it to see it play out. You looking to buy? It is a setup here. It is a setup, I have to say. But I'm bearish on gold. I don't want to buy gold. I'm just bearish on gold. I prefer to trade gold in a trend trading strategy, but this is a trade for sure. I'm not going to be pissed at people who take this trade. Just end of month, not a trade I'm going to take. How to offend me going live? No, you mean how often do I go live? Monday to Friday, bro. Buy, stop, and gold break of high. Yeah, Ben, you can type that in the Zoom chat, man. No need to use YouTube chat. I read Zoom chat first. Now that you're in there, you can ask me the questions there. Sir, please, Gbpjpy. That's the best name. Gbpjpy, I sell 181,900. If you don't have a plan, don't take a sell, brother. You have to have a plan. Oh, I thought you oh, you're still trying to fix your Discord? Why? Maybe it's worth you... I mean, is that a big Discord account you have? It might be worth just making a new one. And then all you have to do is contact LaunchPass and they'll give you a new invite link. It's not a... It's pretty simple. Many people do it. Not trading today, just watching. That's my plan. Very sensible, man. Very sensible, Adam. Where would you enter gold? You should know the plan, guys. No, but it would be break of the high. But the guys in the exclusive, they know the plan, man. They know the plan. They know the stop because this is something we studied. This setup, this plan that they're developing came from the webinar here. This webinar. There's a webinar called Gold Trading Strategy, right? So this gold trading strategy explains all of the way. So if you guys are new to the Zoom and you want to know how they're finding out about this trade, it's from this gold trading strategy. But you guys will get access to all of this after stream. I'll give you access to everything. We'll discuss it. Yeah, so that would be the position. We'll put it here on screen. I'm personally not going to sit out on this, but we'll put it here on screen. You want to target somewhere around these wicks. And there we go. Yeah, something like this. Yeah, Jaden, that's where it normally is. Easier to explain, like that's where it normally is. But remember, we want to give it a bit of room because this is part of the London trading strategy. So gold is traded a little bit different during London, and that's part of the strategy, right? Is that we adjust stop slightly. How late you streaming? It's 10 a.m. for me in my time zone. So we just keep it a little bit wider to give the trade a little bit more room. Entered at 1868. Yep, that's the one. No way, Jesse. No. Maybe you get a bottom wick, man. And then you can go back in. Is the exclusive open, bro? Yes, it opened today. It is open. There are still spots. There's a total... You guys will probably get a spot. Even if you want to join by next week. The only reason I opened it today is so that people can join the webinar by Monday, you know. And also, so you have the weekend to digest content. Otherwise, your like back-to-back Zooms and stuff like that might be a bit hectic during the week. So that's why I allowed it to be open now. So you guys have the weekend. You can go through the content, go through the website, all of that stuff. Is the webinar free? No, that is for the exclusive group. Guys, the position is on the chart. People asking me questions about the position, it's on the chart. Look at this. Nice push already. Yeah, Lee, you can do that. Refresh and join, no issues. How much we push up here? About 9 pips. Wonder where's a good break-even spot. You probably want to go break-even by a pip amount. You probably want to go break-even at this key level here at 1870 break-even key level. That's a good break-even. Yeah, break even around 1870. I'm not in the trade, but you usually say at the 15-minute low, but that was on the 5-minute low. It's actually, no, it's the previous 15-minute low. Look where stop is, previous 15-minute here. Based off the candle high we're breaking below that low. You see, Jaden? Look, this is the candle high that broke and we're previous 15 low. Very simple. So yeah, this would want to be 1870. Your break-even point would be good. You want to know my RR? 1 to 50,000. RR I have 1 to 50,000. No, not for me, Sam. End of month, I'm chilling, but I called. I would have taken this 100%, but I'm chilling, not in my plan. But it's a position. It's part of my strategy. Good, respectable RR. Yeah, man. You know we have to make billions. When I go break even, my RR is 1 to 1,000. So. Solid. If you guys enjoying the stream, be sure to leave a like. Then hopefully you get some volume into gold to push further, at least to get to break even, and then make a decision. 700 of us in here, 250 like lacking end of month, guys. Come on, we're end of month here. You know, bringing some action, bringing this to the stream for you guys. So yeah, definitely leave a like. Get the likes up to at least 400 here. For the lobsters. Yeah, this might have to retest and then find its way slowly towards that. In the meantime, what's GJ doing at the moment? Yeah, GJ's ranging at the moment. Right, this is, I told you, I wouldn't be surprised for GJ to reject this zone somewhere around here. Yeah, very dangerous to buy after a candle like this. Is too deep. This candle's closing way too deep. Can we use your strategy in other pairs? Yeah, of course you can. It's price action. You can use it wherever. Which part of the world are you streaming from? The time it's more like UAE time? Yep, I'm streaming from Dubai, brother. I'm streaming from Dubai. 27.3k subscribers. Yeah, we should get to 28 hopefully. If everyone subscribed in this thing, we would reach. Yeah, exactly. If everyone subscribed in in the live, then we would reach that 28. Stood up, had pulled my PC off my desk. Shit, man. At least it's okay. At least it's okay. Give me a sec. I'll be back. Just going to toilet. Hopefully, I go do. I'm gonna also call the liquidity providers to send this to TP. So don't worry about it. Am I Emirati? No, I'm not. I've subscribed. Should I press it again? I think if you press it again, you unsubscribe. So if you'd like to unsubscribe, then yeah, you can. It's your choice. I'm not going to dictate what you can and cannot do. Anything's your choice. You can leave the stream. You can join the stream. You can do anything you want to do, man. It's up to you. Your choice, your wish. You can write hate comments. That's what people, that seems to be a common trend. People like to hate. So if you want to join that gam, you can write nice comments. You can ask questions, entitled to anything. You write hate comments though, then I'll ban though. Then you'll be banned. But anyways. This is the problem. A little bit slow in London. London a little bit slow. But setup still makes sense, right? Call the liquidity management company. Tell them Uncle Harry needs insider information which way going buys or sells. Well, according to my analysis, buys make sense. I've noticed that London session been slow for the past 2 months. Not on GJ, no. Last 2 weeks on GJ, yeah, pretty slow. NY is better for gold, for sure. You want this 15-minute to close a little bit stronger bullish. That will be better. Otherwise, you probably have to hold a bit of drawdown here. If this closes something like this, then you might have to hold a bit of drawdown. Maybe back down to the top of the range before this plays out. Yeah, you want a stronger 15 than this. Hopefully 1 minute does some business. Isn't this a good fake out on GJ? No, not exactly, because you have no range to trade. Your range is very small to trade. Where are you going to trade to? From here to here? It's tiny. You have to rely on it breaking this area. You can see it's struggling. Oh, really? You did? That's cool, Adam. Gold is down. Yeah, I agree. Gold higher time frame is definitely more bearish posture than bullish posture, for sure. For sure. But counter trend option, yeah, it could be an option. Of course, more riskier as always, we were saying, but it is an option. Willing to take it, you can take it. Right now, you don't want to be in, you can close break even. Options give you profitable positions, right? Now you can move your stop loss up to here like this. If it breaks this, it's basically done. Especially this no top wick, you can basically, no bottom wick, you can basically close break even here to avoid this pullback now. Or hold the trade because nothing's changed. You know, you have so many decisions you can make based on your position for the month. Anything closing back inside this 5-minute range, just cut the trade. You know, there's so many different things you can do with a trade like this. But for me, that's why I'm chilling, because end of month, I don't want to make those decisions because I'm happy with the month. You know, but for me, trade's still valid, you know, until anything. If I was personally in the trade, the way I'd manage it, anything closing back in the 5-minute range, because I don't mind taking a small loss. So anything's up to you. Of course, 170, I'll probably go hard break even at 170 if we reach there. 1970, sorry. What levers IC markets? You can adjust it. 1 to 500 they offer. Yeah, I do leave it sometimes to go to SL. If I don't have a chance to manage, then it hits SL. Have you not taken? Nah, I'm not taking this. Because end of month, that's my goal. But I'm calling the position because I would have taken it for sure. But I'm sticking to my plan. Great to know you're streaming from Dubai. Would like to catch up in Dubai. I live in Warka. We should do a Dubai meetup. How many people are in Dubai? If there's multiple people in Dubai, we can do a Dubai meetup. What's GJ doing? Nothing much on GJ. If it re-breaks the high, probabilities of continuing and the hour print's pretty strong? Exactly, yes. If it re-breaks the high, it looks good. Do a Dubai plane ticket giveaway? Knowing me, I'm probably going to get someone that's in US. And I'll probably have to fly them in from US. Got a nice little holiday planned end of year in Dubai? Oh, cool. Message me if you're down. Give me the ticket. Amazing discipline. Watching me has helped my overtrading. Yeah, you have to have it, man. I've been so many times at the end of the month where I'm having a good month and I just go and give profits back. Even 2-3% matters. That's work I've done. I want to be paid for that. I want to be paid for my work. How's gold doing now? It's slowly working its way. My close, the lack of volume sucks. I hate holding forever. Yeah, exactly, man. You make a decision. How's your month gone? You know, because you know at this point here, if you want to hold this trade, you can. What you can do is just say, okay, if it flips again, I'm gonna close at break even. You know, it depends on your month. But you know, if you want to try let this trade play out, you have to basically take a small loss at minimum. You know, it's not ready for break even just yet. But if you don't want to hold that drawdown, you're in a profitable position. That's the beauty of the strategy that I use, is that the positions allow me to get into a profit. Everyone's thinking about, where do I put my stop loss? Where do I put my stop loss? Stop loss does not matter when you're taking entries that put you in profit. How many people in chat take entries that do not put them in profit? That's your major issue, is you guys take an entry and you're in drawdown. And then you have to manage a position. So whenever we take a position that allows us to be in profits, we're in a position to make a decision and it becomes nice and easy. Let's have a look at Euro USD. A lot of people asking about Euro USD. Why is everyone so excited about Euro USD? So daily close bullish from the bottom of the range. Yeah, this looks like it wants to retrace before continuing down, potentially if resistance is formed. 4 hours at resistance, so be very careful. This is a key zone right here where we're at. Buying into this. Asking a little bit of issues here. Yeah, basically if we can hold above this resistance, buys make sense. Yeah, anything closing above this 15-minute resistance, which is also this resistance to the left here, buys do make sense to continue up bullish. Above 1.05879 would be where it makes sense to continue bullish. What's GJ doing? GJ creating a kind of lower high here, wanting to continue down. $100K sub, surely plane ticket giveaway and one-on-one mentorship for a subscriber. Okay, facts. I have to do that then. Inshallah, okay, fine. Yeah, we'll do that. That's the fine. 100K subs, I give away a plane ticket. I fly the person down. I host them in a hotel, right? And I give them, I sort them out, help them out with some stuff. Only thing is, only one person gets to win that. What account size do you trade with? I trade with a big enough account that allows me to have, right, 4-figure risk per trade, risking no more than 3 to 4% max. 1 hour free Ferrari ride. If you're on gold, we manage risk. Example, close 50. If you're on gold, at the end of the day, you'll have to, I said, you either close half as it flips here, or you just close the trade if you don't want to hold drawdown, or you just accept the loss. It's your decision. How's your month gone? I don't know how your month has gone. If you've had a good month, then anything closing back inside the 5-minute range, you can close the trade. Again, it's London. It will take its time possibly until you get volume. You might have to hold this trade for another 30-40 minutes here, you know, before something happens. You know, you can't expect a quick move. This is why I don't take it today, because I don't want to be put in this position. You know, at the end of the month, I don't want to be thinking, oh, maybe I should close because I'll just secure my profits for the month, or maybe I should hold to make profits. You know, so that's how it is. You can just let it play out. You know, you have all the, this thing can test all the way back down to 1867.250 before making its way back up. You know. Sorry to ask again, what are you using 1 to 500 leverage? Understand your way of, I never use 1 to 500. That's way too much. If you're risking 1 to 3% of your account, you'll really only need to use 1 to 100 max, you know? What's your end goal with trading? There's no end goal. Goals always change and get bigger and bigger. If I set a goal, then I'm setting myself up to achieve less than I can potentially achieve, right? So I focus on achieving small goals, and the bigger goals could potentially get bigger, because what you might think is a big goal now, when you reach there, is not as big. And that's something I learned, right? I used to set these big goals, and I used to realize, actually, that's not a big goal. It was big at the time, but not anymore. So instead I focus, and then when you're trying to chase a big goal, you get frustrated when you don't reach those goals. So what I found is the best thing to do is focus on achieving the small goals time after time, and that leads you to becoming a different person and achieving your bigger goals, because the small goals will lead you to the big goals, and the small goals is what keeps you progressing and progressing. But I don't set a barrier, right? Took my profits, now drinking tea. You think a gold has a re-entry here? And you misplaced your stop you out at break even. I won't try anything crazy here to re-enter or anything. You know, it's pushing nicely now. So, yeah, I won't do that. Trading will become a diversification machine for you. So yeah, gold is moving nice now. That's what I mean, you know. Trust the trade and manage. It's all based on your position. This is why it's complicated end of month. But as I said, the way I would have managed this, anything closing back in 5-minute range. Nice. Once gold breaks this high, it should be good. Yeah, there we go. Are my entries in the hundreds of thousands a digit for lot size? Yeah, for sure. I told you, you guys know my lot size. 8, 10, 5, depends on stop loss, you know, that's how it is. What's behind that idea? To manage risk if it closed 5-minute structure, because that's what I expect it to respect, right? You expect it to respect this 5-minute structure. It's going to continue bullish like this. You know, you could even take profits at 1870. It's not a bad profit taking place if you want to just take that for the end of the month. Nice push here. This is where you'd move stops to break even, make it a risk-free trade. Amazing. Moving stops break even. Nice one. Is it too late to enter? Obviously, it's too late to enter. We're halfway to TP. Max TP, that is. Max TP was up here. But yeah, you'd make this risk-free. Evert, that's applied to this particular gold entry. I really recommend you watch. Have you watched the webinar, the gold? This exact entry that I just took on gold, we discussed in the webinar. This was discussed in the webinar exactly. So if you guys want to know how to take that entry, you see this webinar here. Right? This was discussed exactly there. It's not a free webinar. It's for the exclusive group. No, it's for the exclusive group. Yeah, the manage idea risk on 5-minute was based because of this setup that we take on gold. This was a specific setup we take on gold. Fuck's sake, Brian. Bring out the lobster. Yes, sir. Where can you get the webinar? If you join the exclusive group, you'll have access to it. Oh, Wayne is back. How to join exclusive group? Link is in the description. If you can't find the link in the description, you're probably not ready for the exclusive group. That's how I control volume. I'm asking for the free one. We need to hit 1,000 viewers. If you guys can get, if we can get the stream to 1,000 viewers, I'm ready, man. I'll give it. Thanks, my G. Just closed on gold with 7k profits. Oh, amazing, man. Amazing. Well done. Look at this. Still pushing. How come In the Streets TV gets a nice tick next to his name? He's like a verified YouTuber or something. Let's see who In the Streets TV. We'll give him a shout out, I guess. We'll see. We'll give him a shout out In the Streets TV. Let's see who you are, brother. Let's see. He made 7K on gold today using my stream. And I'm giving him... I hope he's not some other trading channel that's trying to get clout. If he's another trading channel... Okay, he's not a trading channel. That's good. He makes basically news stuff. Alright. Daily commentary. Alright, he's on the grind. He's posting daily. What's the beef between Steve Will Do It and 6ix9ine? He probably knows the answer to that. Well, that's his channel. And he's trading as well as a side hustle. That's pretty cool. He's trading as a side hustle. So let's get lobsters in the chat for this gold. I think you should secure at least half. You know, secure something at this 170. Why not? You know, you can secure something end of the month, man. How good is this? You know, very, very, very easy. Nice trade here. That's what I'm talking about, guys. That's what I'm talking about. End of month. No one's calling this crap. No one's calling this crap. Sexy setup from the webinar. Yes. Right? So, close up some. And that's why you close up some, right? So, this is where we call to close some. Close some. Or full. Plus 16. Nice, guys. Nice. Glad you took it. Whoever took it, congrats. Lovejeet, that's your... Look, end of the month, you made your subscription. While playing with small risk, subscription is paid. With playing with the random risk. Well, that's it, man. Whoever joined the exclusive group today, you just made back your subscription if you risk enough. Easy. And the best thing, whoever took this trade, guess what? You can make plenty more of these trades because the webinar is exactly there explaining how this... Guys, look, this exact same... I bet I can... Let me go show you this. This is actually just to prove this is no cap and I don't take random setups. I'll go find the exact same setup that we just took in this webinar here. If I can be bothered, just... Oh, come on. Okay, it can't handle my... It's saying I'm too good for it, so anyways. $500 on gold, amazing. Well done, guys, well done. GJ is still pulling back, playing some games here. Gold is the easy setup today. How much is the subscription? Links in the description. All information there. That's my new... I think that's maybe a new rule I should make. If you can't find out the information about it, then you're probably not ready to join. But no, it's $1.8 per day. That's how much it cost. Why you have not taken this trade any earlier, or why not? Any earlier, because earlier was not my confirmation, not the way I trade. Right? That's why. If it wasn't on an FTMO demo, that would be phase 1 completed in 4 days. Oh, sick. Look at this, about to run to full TP. You're hitting Red Lobster tomorrow? You better post it in the group, man. I should learn to close 80 and leave the rest to run? Nah, man, closing full, I would have, you know. Can you enter now? No. I got your trade again and again. Amazing. Well done, guys. Look at this. Remember me? Tony? Few people named Tony, so. Make sure to leave a like on the stream, guys. Get it up to 400, end of month. Giving out positions like this. Yeah, post it in. You just need that shirt already? Oh yeah, I'm working on that, guys. I contacted a supplier. I'm not gonna add this to the stream win rate. I'm not adding this to, even though I called it fully, I'm not adding it because I personally was not involved. So that's how legit I am. So if anyone tells me that I'm not being legit, that's how legit I am being. What's the purpose of GSN? I want to see this GDP might be the reason. There we go. GDP came back. Damn. No, this is the same 3.2. A little bit, yeah. Revised business investment shouldn't cause too much. A little bit of weakness in business investment could have caused a bit of downside. Just retrace. I think GDP got priced in yesterday and now it's retracing the GDP. But look, you know, this could still set up for buys later, to be honest. If this starts doing a change of structure, we could end up buying this later. No issues at all. It's not even London open. This is making a nice retest back down to the bottom of the range. Got my loss back from yesterday's solo trade. Told you, man, not to give profits back solo trading. Also, not always, but GJ usually move opposite. Yeah, sometimes, but not always. That's why I don't use it. Call me Dirty Harry? That's not. Call me Clean Harry. Can you explain why you would take this trade? What signal did you see? What you were waiting for? I know you didn't because it was over bullish. No, so this is a simple setup that I have. It's part of my London gold trading strategy. And it's mainly based on the 1 hour closing above the range is where the basis of the trade comes from. So keep it simple. 1 hour closed above the range. This is a setup number one. If you guys go, well, you guys won't have, but people who have access to the setup number one, pretty simple. Close above the range here. We'll use Lovejeet example. Clean candles to the left, close above the range, break of the high. Let's see if we have that, right? Do we have the same conditions? Close above the range, clean candles to the left, break of the high. Pretty simple trade here, right? Just following the rules. You guys add this to the exclusive group sheet. This gold buy. Damn, Jack got some pips here, huh? What's Jack doing? Sheesh. Early entry, huh? Look at that. Setup number 4, right? What setup did he put it as? Let's see if he got that correct. Put it as setup 3. It's actually setup 4. So he needs to adjust that. That's a mistake. No, this is setup 2. No, this was a setup 4. So he needs to adjust that to setup 4. New York, he also took what? He took another gold buys. Let's see what he did in gold. Not gold. Was it gold? GJ buys. Damn, breaker high, setup number 3 after closing above the range. Ah, okay. Scalping hard. Scalping hard. That's why he's probably not in Zoom now. He's called it a month. End of month. Jacket, he's not in Zoom. Look, he is. I thought we better have called it a month after that. Is it set up in Discord? There's a free version. So I told you guys I always hook you up for free. I always do the most I can for free. So if you go in the free Discord and oh, Ghost is in, amazing. Right, if you go to the free Discord and then go to resources, in resources you will find this is the PDF here, and then you'll also find the stream journal. Stream journal is such a useful resource here. Stream journal, very useful resource. So he made it in. How to join your Zoom? You have to join the exclusive. There's still spots over. I think maybe I'll do the same amount of spots as last month, which was around 30. As long as it becomes controllable. The minute it becomes, as they said, your group is too saturated. There's not even 100 people in Zoom. Look at how smooth the chat is here. I know everyone who joined the group. And now all the new people who join, I'm going to get used to them. See what level they're at. See their mistakes. See which people speak up. And then they start to progress. And then I enjoy watching their progression. Simple as that, man. When did you start trading live? Not sure. I cut the trade fast. Yeah, man. It's okay. That was your plan. That's the decision you make, and now you learn about it, right? You just move on. Don't FOMO. Call it a month, and that's it. When ghosts have the most volume? When it's trending like this. This is how it is in February, March. Remember when I say I trade gold during London? It's when it moves like this. And I've been saying once we break out the range, it will be good. This should be the t-shirt. I don't want to see this. For fuck's sake, love cheat, bro. I know exactly when he's gonna send something, man. Is Discord or Telegram? Telegram's a little bit of a mess. Some people only have Telegram, so I still keep the group open to put updates and stuff like this. But the best is going to be Discord, because Discord is full. I think Lovejeet is bold, yes. Best session for gold. Overall, best session for gold is going to be in New York. So I'd stick to New York. If you guys enjoying the stream, be sure to leave a like. Almost 400 likes. Let's make it 400 likes end of month. Make it nice and clean here. What do you advise on crypto trading since you have the experience? You have to be ready whenever the market's ready, because crypto will move at random times and you have to be ready at the chart to catch that move. That's the only problem. Otherwise, it's very much the same. Crypto respects more wicks, so be careful with the wicks. That's basically it. Hi, is it worth to try get pass a challenge so I can get funded with a 2K trading GJ and gold you make reasonable? Thanks for everything you did for me. Yeah, if you want to build capital to build 2K, make sure that you can, if you take the money that you're about to take the challenge with, put it in a live account and see if you can grow that over a month. You know? I'm down 8% this month. That's unfortunate, man, but people will have losing months and you have to find out why. What did you do wrong? How can you improve and take it from there? Pretty simple. Coach Harry started my prop firm today, 5% profit. Amazing. Halfway there. I come from trading crypto and I don't see myself going back. I'm pretty much on the same page. I thoroughly think there's a bigger edge in Forex. Much bigger edge. Consistency wise and everything wise. You have to be a vampire to trade crypto. That's facts, man. That's facts. Help me after stream for purchasing exclusive. Yeah, you can DM me. This is Love G2 who posted. I don't even have to check who posts this stuff, man. I don't even have to check this stuff. He loves that stuff because of what happened on gold, right? He's very happy with me now. He's paid for his whole year in here if he stays. Maybe he'll just leave us. I'm trying to win my 100k account challenge. Win is the wrong word. You're making it seem like it is a gambling game, which kind of is with funded challenges. You have to just focus on taking the next trade. That's it. Don't think about profits. Just a funded account's worth trying if you have the consistency. Put the money that you're gonna open a funded account with in a live account and prove to yourself you can grow it consistently. Do you buy and hold crypto? I'm interested in learning more about crypto for the long term. Yes, I do buy and hold crypto long term. Yes, I do. And speaking about that, Bitcoin went on a nice rip yesterday. There we go. Nice rip it did yesterday. From this nice zone I have here. Respected. Look how good I had this on the charts from how long ago. Respected the zone and we're back in action. Daily respected this zone and now we're back in action. We break these highs, we're going up to 29k. Yep. I won't be surprised to see it take one more leg, maybe up to around 33 max on some sort of news, and then we see a retracement back down to around 19, and then I ape in. Do I trade? No, I don't trade Bitcoin. I just buy spot. I buy spot, not trade it. Oh shit. October statistically the most bullish for month, yeah. Is it normal for profitable trader to have break-even weeks or weeks with small loss? 1000%. On January this year, I had a break-even month, loss in commission basically. You know, and I'll tell you guys that. You know, you guys can see, and based on what I've seen, you know, mashallah, good. The trading I do is profitable. So it happens. Happens. This guy is my mentor, man. He took me from nothing. Now I know a lot. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. I appreciate everyone supporting, showing up to the stream. You know? Low volume in January? Yeah, it was so messy, man. It would break out and then fake out, then no volume, then range. It was just... You would have like a move. It would break out the range. Then it would fake out. And then it would range in that range when you try to take setup number 2. Then you try buy the bottom of the range and there'd be no volume. It was just a mess, man. Is there any particular way to end? All of this will be answered, man, after stream. That's why I have you guys in here before stream. Trust me, there's a full, easy way to get you on track. Don't worry about anything, Henry. You're going to be sorted, man. Where did you learn trading? There's no one mentor. I learned from multiple people, and they were all part of my journey. So, yeah. I want to join in your group, but I'm allowed to join even I'm new into trading, 6 months old, because I want to. Yeah, of course you can. Of course you can. The group is for anyone. You can read the description. If you think it's something you want to be part of, then you're welcome to join. No issues at all, man. And if you don't like it, you're welcome to leave as well. That's the flexibility. You can do whatever you want. It's a community. It's there for you to progress. I would not sell GJ with bullish bias. So it's I wouldn't even consider that. Yeah, make sure to if you join now, make sure to join the Zoom and I'll tell you exactly where to start. I learned a lot from you, Raja and Don. Nice, man. Thanks to you, Harry. After following you, I finally have 100k from 200k. A joke. Okay, you got me excited. You heard my voice and then look what happens. Oh yeah, this is dope, Lovejeet. This is really good. Check news, check section bias. Yeah, then do your chart markup. Make sure LTA. Change this to find trading zone. Change this and resend it. Change this to find trading zone. Put that in brackets. LTAs. Because you're not, because finding an LTA is not important, because we could have a bearish LTA, but our session bullish is bias. Our session bias is bullish. Candle close and then go. This thing is gonna hit this 28 TP. Watch. This 28 pip TP is gonna be hit. Hopefully. UJ Metad, any opinions? Counter trend buys. Is it bearish bias? Let's have a look. Oh shit, yeah, it did melt hard. You'd have to wait for Kareem like a change of structure, you know what I mean? You can't just rip it on one bullish candle closing. Oh yeah, bias is bearish. Yeah, there is counter trend buys option for sure, especially from here. I do agree with that. But you need that change of structure, you know, price pull up, form resistance, then close above that. What's a... No, LTA is low traffic area, means clean candles. Bitcoin halving April 2024 this year. Based on past performance, we might see very bullish momentum. Not immediately. Yeah, exactly. Yes, that's the time where you kind of want to look. Basically, hopefully it gets really boring before that. What I expect to happen is basically, since now the Bitcoin halving is a big event, everyone knows about it. So you'll see a lot of hype leading in and at the Bitcoin halving. So you'll probably see price pump into that and then immediately have a heavy dump. People will use that as exit liquidity. And then, yeah, so then you wait till after that dump and then you go. It kind of looks like something like this. I'll show you. It'll look something like this. And this is actually exactly when I bought Bitcoin. The last time I bought Bitcoin, I went very heavy and it was exactly. So you'll see something like this. Like, you'll see it get boring. No one's thinking about crypto. The ideal time to get in here. So if we see another pump like this, this is basically where we are right now, pumping into this. We get one more dump. And then you see, well, not one more dump. You get one more dump here when we pump here. And then this is the Bitcoin halving. Right? When everyone gets excited, boom, then they sell into that. Then that's when you want to get involved. Harry, 85% win rate, Marsha. Are you surprised with it, since achieving such a high win rate does not seem sustainable? I don't really focus on sustainability of win rate. I focus on taking the next trade. As long as I'm making profits in the market, I don't need to adjust anything, and I leave that as a factor that I don't have to consider. Win rate will not affect my trading. The results is what affects my trading. So I base my trading based off results, not win rate, not R to R. Risk reward is irrelevant, win rate irrelevant. All of that stuff is irrelevant. So there we go. We almost hit TP. Full TP. Just do it, man. Can I buy gold now? No, you should have been in where we got in at around 1868.
I've been trading for almost...
What's this ad? Three, two, one TP. Yeah, I do expect it to hit it. I kind of just wanted to hit it for just flex purposes. But it's not really important. You basically can close up anywhere here. I just want to see my plan exactly play out. There's no reason why it shouldn't exactly play out. How many more pips does it need to move? 2 pips. Yeah, Goldinium. It was the exact setup we took in the webinar, right? The 1 hour close and the special thing. Go check it. Check the 5. Check the 1 and the 5. Check how it is. You part of the community? Welcome, brother. Welcome. TP hit. Yes, sir. Analysis was on point. Got to my TP and that's it. Close up. Call it a day. Close shop. End of story. Thank you very much. And yeah, 29 pip move. There you go. Very clean, very easy. And that's how it is, man. That's how it is. End of month now. Call it a month. Go enjoy your lobsters. We all eating lobsters. Have a great month. Have a great weekend. And yeah, that's it for me, guys. I'm basically going to call it a week here. I'm happy to chill out now. So I appreciate everyone showing up to the stream as always, guys. Hope to see you next week. And yeah, I appreciate everyone showing up as always. Take care. Trade sharp. And don't go. I caught you guys. Don't go blowing your profits end of month. Please, I trust me. There is going to be someone inside here who's going to go try take trades today in New York and lose all the profits. Call it a month, guys. Just have discipline. You have next month. You have next week. There's everything. Save your profits. Save your lobsters. And that's how it is, brother. That's how it is. So with that being said, guys, take care. Trade sharp and hopefully catch you guys very, very soon. And yeah, peace.